Can I show you Canva templates that are earning creators $100,000, $200,000, and sometimes even over $500,000? And can I show you how to create each of these Canva templates, plus show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can convert them into a digital file, which you can then upload to either Etsy or your own website to sell for a profit too? Well, that is a challenge I have set myself today, and as you can see, we have a lot to get through, so let's just jump straight into it. And we'll start with our first Canva template, Sublimation frames. Yes, so it's quite interesting because this is probably one of the easiest templates to make on this list, yet as you will see, these still earn hundreds of thousands of dollars. Yep, so for example, take this Tumblr sublimation frame template for sale here on Etsy. Allura, the Etsy sales estimator tool, estimates that this has made over $29,000. And take this skinny Tumblr sublimation frame template here. Allura estimates that this one has made even more money, over $44,000. And it gets even crazier. Because this is an example of a store which specializes in this, their sales are coming from their collection of niche sublimation frame templates that they have up for sale. And together they add up. Combined, Allura estimates that the store has made over $400,000. Wow. And you might be thinking, okay, Sarah, what do people even use these for? Well, you take, for example, this blank mug that I have here. Well, if I wanted to create and print my own design onto this mug as a hobby, then I would need to know the correct dimensions for it. And so that is what templates like this help people do. Templates like this include Canva frames that are sized perfectly to different mug sizes, so that all the customer has to do is just drag and drop their own images into the design and it will automatically be resized for the mug. Basically, people buy it for the convenience, which is why this mug sublimation Canva template has been popular, with Allura estimating it has made over $7,000. So yeah. And as I said, I think that creating these is quite simple, because if you know one trick, then you could turn any image you have into an exact Canva frame. So let me show you how to do it. First up, obviously, you will need to log into your Canva account. And of course, if you don't have an account, you will need to get one. So I'll include my affiliate link in the description below, where you can go and sign up and get a free 30-day pro trial account, which includes all of Canva's design tools, like their background remover. Then next, create a new project, make it big enough to be able to fit your frames. Then go ahead and give it a title describing what the frame is for. I also added in a subtitle explaining how to use the frame. And I also like to mix and match graphical elements together to give templates a unique original design for copyright reasons. And I also used free images and fonts so that people who buy my Canva template who only have a free account, not a pro account, can access them too. Then next, come to Photopea, a free Photoshop clone, and create a new project and set the size to be the same as your Canva project and the DPI to be 96, which is Canva's DPI. Then upload any image that you want into the frame. So for me, I uploaded a rectangle that I had made within Canva that was the exact dimensions I wanted for my Canva frame, which was 8.25 inches by 3.75 inches. Then click Layers and right-click your image layer and select Pixels. Then click the Pass button and click the Selection to Path button, which is a little button at the bottom of your screen with a circle and two lines. Then open the Layer menu and under Vector Mask, select Current Path. Now you can save this file as a PDF. And you can upload it back into Canva. Because it's a PDF, it'll be added into your projects folder, so click to open it on a new page, then click the image and select the Delete button and delete the image. Now you'll be left with just the frame, which you can then move back into your main page, and then you can delete the extra page. And that's it. And so now if a customer buys my template and they want to create their own 12 Oz mug, they can just drag and drop the image that they have into my custom frame. So yeah, I just duplicated the page and then I went and changed the title to my new mug size, this time 14 Oz. And then again, I went ahead and uploaded an image that I had created with Photopea that was the exact dimensions I wanted, and I converted it into a PDF using the same settings. And then I uploaded it to Canva and turned it into a frame again. And then of course I went and did it a third time. And so now I have my own mug sublimation Canva template that I'm ready to sell, featuring 3 different mug sizes. Yay! And by the way, you can turn any image you like into a custom frame, not just basic shapes like rectangles. Like take for example this listing here on Etsy. If you buy this, you get access to all of the store's custom frames, and it's quite incredible. Allura estimates that this bundle has made over $700,000. Wow. Plus, of course, you can see that they are listing each of their frames individually too and earning money that way. And as you can see, not all of their frames are sublimation frames, some are just fun shapes like letters. And so you can do this too, just upload any image you want to turn into a frame into Photopea and follow that simple formula I showed you to modify the image to turn it into the correct file type for Canva. Then save it as a PDF again, and then upload it into Canva and detach and delete the background, and now you have your own custom frame. Easy. And so then, once you have finished your template, all you need to do is create a shareable template link and then convert that link into a digital product, which you can then go on to sell. And I have a tutorial at the end of this video which shows the exact step-by-step process to do that if you want to skip ahead to it. But for now, let's move on to the next Canva template that is making people rich: social media bundles. Yes, these are making an insane amount of money. However, before you go ahead and make these, you'll want to know the trick that they are using. Yep, so for example, take this Instagram social media bundle. This comes with a bunch of post templates for Instagram. And well, Allure estimates that this has made over $100,000. And check out this store here. You can see that they specialize in selling social media bundles too. And well, Allure estimates that this store has made over $520,000. But here is the thing, right? I can absolutely understand that it can be easy to look at these Canva templates and be very intimidated at the idea of making one yourself. I mean, think about it, right? This bundle contains 800 images, so you might be rightfully thinking, gee, Sarah, how can I create 800 images? And it's a good question, right? And well, the answer is that you repurpose them. So to show you an example, what I did was I created a new Instagram post within Canva. I first of all went and created a basic Q&A template. I included a title at the top. Then I added in a rectangle for where the Q&A questions would go. And then, rather than make my own custom frame for the photo, I used one of Canva's pre-installed frames, because if all you need is a standard shape and you don't need an exact specific custom image as a frame, then they actually have a lot of standard frame shapes pre-installed that you can just use rather than having to create your own custom one, which, as you'll see for other templates, is very handy. So I added that in and then added in a little text box to it, and then I duplicated it, and then that was it. I basically had my layout. So next in the design tab, I clicked styles and I opened up the color palette tab. Now, all I have to do is click on a color palette or a color palette combination, and Canva will redesign it for me just like that, automatically changing the colors and fonts depending on the palette or combination I picked. And I can click on each of them to get multiple different versions using the same colors and fonts. So there you go. You can very quickly turn any post you create into multiple different variations in colors. Plus, you can also come in and add your own color palettes and combinations too, if you want. Color palettes are just for colors, but for the color combinations, you can add in fonts as well. And it will automatically change any fonts in your design to your chosen fonts. So then, now that you know the trick, we can move on to the next Canva template that is making people rich. But first, all of this talk about Canva keeps reminding me of today's video sponsor, me. Yes, as my longtime subscribers know, due to the fact that there are so many shady YouTube sponsors, I've been struggling to find sponsors I like and trust for my videos. And so I'm just choosing to sponsor my video today to let you know that if you've seen the videos on this channel where I show how I have a side hustle where I earn passive income by creating clothing designs both with Canva and with AI art and then selling them onto print-on-demand products, which I sell for a profit, then don't forget I have a free ebook you can download. Yep, it is called The 6 Steps That Six-Figure Online Stores Follow to Make Over $10,000 a Month with Print on Demand. You will find a link to download my free ebook in the video description below. But anyway, back to the video. And let's now move on to the next Canva template that is making people rich: business document supply kits. Yes, it's kind of crazy, but people are making a ton of money creating technical documents for different types of businesses, like invoices, client intake forms, that sort of thing. Basically, these are little document kits which give you all the technical supplies that you need to start a new business. For example, take this client supply kit for people who are starting a wedding photography business. Allure estimates that this has made over $118,000. And take this business technical supply kit that has been created for people who want to start an event planning business. Allure estimates that this has made over $50,000. And take this kit here for people looking to start a facial treatment business. Allure estimates that this has made over $186,000. Now that is incredible, right? And I'll admit, creating aesthetic forms is not my personal specialty. It's probably not a product that I would be great at creating and selling. However, if you do enjoy pairing fonts together and spacing out shapes and text, then I think that this would be an enjoyable and easy template to create relative to how much money it can make, because as you can see, most of the templates really are just text boxes, shapes, and a few graphical elements spaced out aesthetically, and Canva has lots of shapes and fonts included in their free elements. And so I was able to create an intake form for a new dog walking business just by combining text boxes with shapes. And I do have a few tips that helped me complete this faster. Firstly, I used the duplicate button a lot. I would duplicate my forms and just switch out the text so that I did not have to continuously redraw lines and add in new text boxes. So that saved me a lot of time. And secondly, I also saved a lot of time by using ChatGPT. Basically what I did was I told it, hey, I'm creating a client intake form for a new dog walking business. What questions should I ask new clients? And it gave me a bunch of suggestions, which I then included in my intake form. So I think that ChatGPT is a very helpful tool when creating these sorts of templates. So then, let's now move on to the next Canva template that is making people rich, customizable books. Yep, and seriously, these are making a lot of money. You take this workbook here, for example. Allure estimates that this has made over $147,000. Wow. But yes, here's the thing about this particular Canva template, right? I will absolutely admit that it is the Canva templates designed to help people who are starting or running businesses, like coaches who need lead magnets, that are making the most money on Etsy. But I'll tell you what, if you're creative, I have still found opportunities on Etsy to earn money by creating customizable book templates in other niches, not just business and coaching. Like you take, for example, this Canva book template here. It's for people that want to create a memory book with their personal photos. And as you can see, the way that they set it up is that they use Canva frames for people just to drag and drop their own photos into. And well, Allure estimates that this has made over $29,000. So then with all of that in mind, let me show you how to make a page in a custom book template. First of all, you will need to create an A4 booklet, and you will need to make sure in the settings that the margins are turned on, because while most people who buy these will be using them probably to create ebooks, for some people they might try to use this to create an actual printable book. And while it's generally okay to have images outside of the margins, because people usually don't mind if a bit of that gets cut off in printing, you will definitely want to make sure any text that you have is within the margins. Since, well, if you think about it, if a bit of an image gets cut off during printing, it usually doesn't really matter because you can still see what it is, but if words get cut off, then you literally can't read them. So keep all text boxes within the margins. But yes, it's interesting because at first, I'm sure the idea of creating a workbook template sounds scary. I mean, 100 pages sounds like a lot, right? But when you take a look at the templates, they often just repurpose pages, either by doing what social media posts do, by duplicating the pages, by using the color palette feature to create different color variations for it, or by just moving boxes and shapes around. So, for example, I created one page layout here for my template. And this is what it would look like if someone actually filled the frames in with their own pictures. Pretty cool, right? And so here's where it gets really interesting, because you see, now that I've created this one layout, I can duplicate the page and turn it into a new page layout very fast, because now all I need to do is just shift the boxes and frames around to a new position to create a new layout. And by doing that, I have now added a new page to my custom book Canva template. So yeah, it seems scary and intimidating to make 100 pages, but once you have an aesthetic and layout type going on that you like, it's actually simpler than it looks. And with all of that in mind, let's now move on to the next Canva template that is making people rich, travel itineraries. Yes, creating travel itineraries as Canva templates is very popular with customers right now, and it's actually quite similar to creating customizable books, except with a bit of a twist. Because you see, unlike with customizable books where it's oftentimes just frames and filler text, with travel itineraries, people often do include some starter content. So, for example, here is a popular travel itinerary. This one has been designed around Italy. You can see that so far 6 people have actually bought it today. And, well, Allure estimates that this has made over $69,000. And take this travel itinerary here, which has been designed for people hosting bachelorette trips. You can see that today 4 people have actually bought it. and Alora estimates that this itinerary has made over $33,000. And take this travel itinerary here, which has been designed for people who are traveling to Japan. 5 people have actually bought it today, and look, Alora estimates that this one has made over $64,000. Plus, here is another Italy-themed Canva travel itinerary, and check it out. Alora estimates that this one has made over $215,000. Now that is crazy, isn't it? So yes, these can make a lot of money. And I think it's quite a scalable product too, because you can make all sorts of itineraries for lots of different types of trips using the free photos. Because something that not a lot of people know is that Canva has over 100 million stock images and photos, and one of the reasons why they have so many is they have acquired Pixabay and Pexels, 2 of the biggest free photo libraries on the internet. That is why when you're browsing through Canva, you'll notice that they have so many photos. And for a Canva template like this that uses lots of photos as part of its designs, that is of course quite perfect. So what I did was I still added in Canva image frames to make it easy for customers to swap out the photos if they wanted, but I also added in placeholder free photos as well for the major activities that people would probably have chosen anyway if visiting Queenstown, so that they don't have to change them out if they don't want to. And so within just a few minutes, I created the first page in my new itinerary. But of course, I can imagine at this point there are a bunch of people thinking, gee Sarah, thank you, I get it, there are lots of Canva templates that people want to buy. But how do you actually sell them after you've made them? And it's a good question, and it's interesting. Because the answer is that what most people do is they turn their Canva template into a PDF, and then they sell that. So really, when you think about it, people who are selling these aren't actually selling their template. Instead, what they're actually selling is the PDF, which contains the link to your template. So let me show you how to do this. First of all, open up any Canva template that you have created that you want to share and sell, and then click Share. Then click Template Link and select to make one. Then copy the template link URL. And that's it. Now, if you give anyone your URL and they open it up, they will see a screen like this. They can then click to open the template and Canva will make a copy of it for them, which they can then edit. And so that is how you sell your Canva template. You sell it by giving people access to your secret URL. However, just sending people to a super long secret URL is not very professional, is it? Which is exactly where this whole PDF thing comes in. It's a lot more professional to instead create a one-page PDF, which includes a clickable link to your Canva template. And making this PDF is pretty simple. The fastest way is to come to Canva's inbuilt templates and search and find one that you like, such as this, and open it up and resize it to be a standard PDF A4 size of 210 by 297 millimeters. Then you can go ahead and edit it. So I increased the size of the mobile phone, and I deleted the picture in the mobile phone frame, and I replaced it with a screenshot that I had taken from my Canva template screen. Then I changed the colors of the boxes. You can see that Canva's design AI automatically created a color palette for me that matched with the screenshot that I uploaded, which I had used. Then I went ahead and edited the text. I switched up the fonts and letter spacing as well, and I added in my own text, thanking the customer for purchasing my template and explaining to them that they can now access it by clicking on the button. And I increased the size of the button, and I switched up the text and font style as well. I think that the eco text effect looked quite nice for it. Then I dragged my cursor over the text and button to select them both at once, and I right-clicked it, and in the options menu I selected the link button and I pasted in the link to my template. And then I just clicked share, download, and switched it to PDF for printing, and then saved it. And that's it. Now you can create a new listing either in an Etsy store or in your own online store, and then upload this PDF for sale. And now when someone comes and buys your Canva template, they will get sent this PDF which contains the link. It is a clever workaround trick, isn't it? So then, if you'd like to learn about even more ways that people are making money online, be sure to watch my next video here on screen, and I will see you in the next video.